guys, I'm gonna show you the new hero on Hero Battlegrounds. It's called the Explosion Hero. I usually use it just because of the cool super mode. Dang. And guys, when he gets to like these pillars or those trees, this is what it does. But I'm gonna show you when the person's at low health. Okay, here's the one when it's at low health. Bruh. I did it too far away from it. Okay, this is its super mode. It got 2 of them. Okay, here it is. There's one. This is this one. This is this. That's my friend. We got different ones. Nuke is you just destroy your own self. But it does like so much. I'm gonna do mine. It's the green hero mixed with this is new. You just destroy your own self. You just destroy your own self.